Amy Fagan and I are the co-conveners of this meeting. And the first presentation and formal welcome to the session is going to be from Sarah Noble from NASA headquarters.
Thanks, Ben. I do just want to welcome everybody to this, 20-something person of LSSW. I am super grateful to the community that keeps showing up for these LSSWs. It is really critical. It is really a way that we get input. I've said it before and I'll say it again, right? That Artemis is not a thing that NASA is doing. It is a thing that we, the community, are doing, and we absolutely need your input in order to make it happen. So thank you for showing up. I do want to advertise our next LSSW, which is a little over a month away, which on May 23rd, I believe, which is be another outbrief from Artemis and from headquarters. So if you want to know what's going on across the agency in terms of how we are making progress in developing Artemis, please tune in for that. I do appreciate all the effort that goes into these LSSWs, and so I like that we do this once a year as sort of the other side of the conversation. It's not just getting input to us, but also us giving that input back to you guys. So tune in for that in May. I want to set the stage a little bit for what we're going to do today. One of the things that we're doing this year through the Moon to Mars sort of architectural definition annual cycle is taking a look at what it means, what the sustained phase of lunar exploration really means, what that's going to look like. And this is very much a chicken and egg problem, right? Like, the scientists look at the engineers and go, well, the engineers look at the scientists and go, what do you want? And the scientists look at the engineers and go like, well, what can you provide us in terms of infrastructure? And we all just sort of point at each other. And so it's clearly got to be an iterative process, and we're very much at the beginning stages of that. So we really appreciate the science inputs we're going to get today as sort of helping us set that first bit on how we want what we want that sustained phase to look like. Big picture plans, we are looking, down the road to do a couple of National Academy studies. We've got the Artemis 3 science definition team report that helps us with sort of the near term, but looking out further, we are working on setting up a National Academy study on looking at other places across the moon we'd like to send humans besides the South Pole. Like, where is it really scientifically valuable to send humans? And then following up on that one, we plan to do another one on sort of what kind of science would we like to do at the sort of more sustained phase of exploration, so the more formal version of what we're doing today. It'll be still a little ways down the line though, so I'm very happy to get this early input as we are spinning up this process. And with that, I think I will turn it back over to Ben.